So you guys came back for another video. Thank you. Or this is your first time here. Please hit the subscribe button if you like this video. I am just new at YouTube, so I'm learning how to make better videos. But anyways, this is my bathroom renovation on a budget. And this bathroom cost me $856. My budget was $1,000. The first thing I did was I went ahead and got some tub and tile and I refurbished that old rusty tub. Oh my goodness. Like it looks brand new, right? And it was nasty. I also replaced all of the taps on that tub as well, painted it, and it's like brand new. So another way to save money on this bathroom renovation is I went ahead and I refurbished my old vanity. The vanity has good bones. It's an oak vanity. I did once upon a time painted it black before I had any kind of skill whatsoever, and it turned out awful, and I just lived with it for years. I'm not going to tell you how many, but I lived with it for years. So I also went ahead and I um, painted it. Sorry. So I went ahead and I painted it with a paint that we have in Canada called Fusion Paint. It's incredible. It's got a top coat mixed in with it, and you don't have to sand. Well, I didn't. So I didn't sand my vanity down. I went ahead and washed it all with TSP, get all the yucky grime and nastiness off of it. And then I added a quarter gripper that they have. So Fusion Paint sells a gripper, and I mixed it in with my first coat of paint, and I painted it in Eucalyptus. I love the color. I wasn't sure about it when I purchased it, but wait till you see how it looks afterwards. So I added the new hardware. I went ahead and got everything all back together. And just to finish it off, I also went ahead and I built a faux butcher block countertop. I went to Home Depot. I got some common boards. They're actually called whiteboards here in our store, and they were 16 inches wide. So I ripped both boards down to the same width so it would fit the width of my cabinet, and then the excess wood that I had, I trimmed down. I trimmed the sides to give it that faux thickness, and I just glued the two boards together and then screwed it into the braces that were on my vanity, and it looks so much better than the old one. And you can see that I also brought in the butcher block countertop. Well, the faux butcher block countertop. And I just went ahead and I dry fitted it just to make sure it was going to fit. I mean, I wasn't going to keep that countertop anyways, the old one, but I just got really excited, to tell you the truth. And I was like, ooh, I just want to see how this looks, especially with the paint. And just to spaz up my bathroom a little bit more, I did add some shiplap to the wall behind the vanity, and I used laminate, floor laminate that you can buy at your hardware store, and it's 1/8 of an inch thick, and it cost about $40. I needed 2 sheets for this wall. But a tip before you add anything to the wall, like any shiplap, please paint the wall the color that you're going to paint your shiplap, because oh my goodness, it will save you your sanity. So I added construction adhesive and used 2-inch nails and a spacer, and I went ahead and I put that shiplap up. You can see I was painting in between each piece, which you should, but then I just kind of got a little bit lazy, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to have to go back and I'm going to have to repaint it anyways. So I did do that, and it took a very long time. So please paint your wall before you put your shiplap up. You will thank me later. And I went ahead and I also refurbished my old light fixture. I spray painted it gold by Rustoleum, and I did this purely because I wanted to still save money. I was kind of getting to the edge of my budget, and I was like, well, I do want to have some money left over just in case the plumbing goes wrong, which it did. So I'm happy that I did that, but I still stayed at under $1,000. And yeah, and this is how it looks, and you can see the before and you can see the after. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope it inspires you to take on a DIY project in your home. Please subscribe.